Use steel pipe to simulate the installation. This is a gas manual valve. First, we turn the manipulator on. There's a pull-ring clutch. The valve can be opened and closed manually after pulling the clutch. Let's install the manipulator now. Take the bracket apart first. The bracket is first fixed on the mounting ear of the manipulator. Remove the screw on the other side of the bracket. Open the bracket and put it over the pipe valve. The manipulator output shaft should be aligned with the gas valve spindle. Tighten the screws when they are in place. Connect the gas alarm and the manipulator. Plug in the special signal interface. Functional tests. When a sufficient amount of combustible gas is released, the gas detector triggered sound light alarm. At the same time, the manipulator will actively close the gas source valve and cut off the gas supply. Press the alarm test button after confirming safety. The manipulator automatically opens the valve to supply gas again. Press the test button if you want to close the valve.